In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a small business or handling accounts for a larger operation, learning how to seamlessly upload invoices will streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and get started by setting you up for success. First, begin by logging into your Zoho Books account. If you already have your login credentials ready, simply enter them and access your dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. You'll notice it's organized into several sections designed to simplify your navigation. Locate the Sales section. Clicking on this will display a drop-down menu, and from here, you'll select Invoices. Navigating to this module is essential because it houses all tools related to invoice management. Now that you're in the Invoices module, let's move on to initiating the import process. This step is straightforward. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see a More icon represented by 3 dots. Give this a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Import Invoices. This option is central to what we are doing today. It's your gateway to bringing your invoice data into Zoho Books. The next step involves uploading your invoice file. When you click on Import Invoices, you'll have the option to Choose File. Click this button to select your file, which should be in CSV, TSV, or XLS format. Keep in mind that the file size should not exceed 10 megabytes. Ensuring this file size limit is crucial, as it helps maintain the efficiency of the import process. With your file selected, it's time to configure the import settings. Under the Configure tab, you'll need to make several key selections. First, choose the character encoding, which defaults to UTF-8, a reliable choice for most situations. Next, select the appropriate file delimiter, whether that's a comma or a semicolon, depending on how your data is organized. If you want Zoho Books to automatically generate invoice numbers, make sure to check that option. Additionally, if you have sales orders that need linking to your invoices, enable the Link Invoices to Sales Orders option. A handy feature here is the ability to map customer addresses, which updates your customer records based on the import file. Moving along, you'll come to the Map Fields tab. Here, align your file columns with the corresponding fields in Zoho Books. This alignment ensures that all your data flows correctly into the system. Zoho Books smartly allows you to save this mapping for future imports, a time saver for those who handle frequent imports. Lastly, let's preview and import. Head over to the Preview tab to review the mapped data one final time. Double-check that everything looks correct and addresses any discrepancies. Once you're satisfied, click on the Import button to finalize the process. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your invoice into Zoho Books. Your accounting tasks just became a little easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes your work in Zoho Books smoother and more efficient.